Welcome to Momspiration, your go-to channel for empowering and motivating moms. In today's episode, we're diving into the benefits of white noise for your baby's sleep. So, what exactly is white noise? It's a consistent and gentle sound that masks other noises and creates a soothing environment for your baby. It's a bit like a lullaby that helps them drift off to dreamland. White noise machines, like this one here, generate a range of sounds that can mimic the comforting environment of the womb. These sounds can include the soft whoosh of a fan, the rhythmic patter of raindrops, or even the gentle hum of nature. Now, let's talk about the benefits of white noise for your baby's sleep. First and foremost, it helps create a consistent sleep environment. The familiar sound of white noise can signal to your baby that it's time to relax and unwind. White noise also helps drown out sudden or distracting noises that might disturb your baby's sleep. This can be especially helpful if you live in a noisy neighborhood or have other children in the house. One of the key advantages of white noise is its ability to establish a sleep association. By using white noise consistently during your baby's sleep routine, they'll begin to associate the sound with bedtime and feel more relaxed when they hear it. When using white noise, make sure to place the machine at a safe distance from your baby's crib. This helps prevent any hazards and ensures your baby's safety while they sleep. Now, let's go over some tips for using white noise safely. First, keep the volume at a comfortable level. It shouldn't be too loud, as this could potentially harm your baby's hearing. Secondly, always use a dedicated white noise machine or a reliable source for white noise. Avoid using apps on electronic devices near your baby's crib, as they may pose safety risks. In conclusion, white noise can be a valuable tool in creating a soothing and sleep-friendly environment for your baby. It helps establish sleep associations, masks background noises, and promotes a more restful sleep. Remember, every baby is different, so observe how your little one responds to white noise and adjust accordingly. Happy sleeping! Thank you for watching this episode. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on helping your baby sleep soundly. Until next time, sleep tight.